one final quick objection to address, and this is an important one. They'll come back today and tell you, look, you're saying 90,000, 100,000 companions were there, and the Prophet clearly appointed Imam Ali. How did they all disobey him? This does not settle. It's just not logical. Okay, 10 people, 20%, 50%, 60% can disobey the Prophet. Everyone? I mean, no one over there realized Imam Ali is the Khalifa and they did not stand with him after the Prophet ﷺ passed away? It's an objection, right? What's the answer to that? Very briefly, that's not the first time. Well, most of them abandoned Imam Ali alayhi salam. Most of them.
All of them went back to Medina,
Not all of them, yes. Many of them went to other areas. But even those people of Medina, is this the first time the Prophet was clearly disobeyed and nobody did anything about it? No. Let me share with you a few quick instances. Have you heard of Raziyat Yawm al-Khamis, which Bukhari documents? The Black Thursday, let's call it. Or the calamity of Thursday, as Ibn Abbas mentions it. This is documented in Bukhari. The Prophet was on his deathbed. He was ill. And he said, bring a piece of paper and a pen so I dictate to you something, you'll never go astray after it. What did Umar ibn al-Khattab say? Inna ar-rajula la yahjur hasbuna kitab Allah. The book of Allah is enough. The man is hallucinating. Wal-'ayadhu billah. The man is hallucinating. The Prophet got upset. He kicked them out. He told them, Qumu anni, get up and leave. It's not appropriate for companions to argue in the presence of the Prophet like that. You see the Prophet towards the last days of his life, and he wants to write something. They prevented him. They made a commotion, he got disappointed, and he kicked them out. That's not the first time that they disobeyed the Prophet ﷺ. If they did it once, they'll do it twice. What's the big deal? Secondly, when the Prophet, days before he passed away, he appointed Osama ibn Zayd as the commander of the Muslim army, and he commanded the Sahaba to go with him. He told them, leave Medina. In fact, he cursed the one who did not join the army of Osama ibn Zayd. لَعَنَ اللَّهُ مَنْ تَخَلَّفَ عَنْ جَيْشِ Osama. This is documented in history. The Prophet wanted them to leave, so Imam Ali alayhi salam would stay and he would govern, because he knew of the conspiracy that was about to happen. But they did not listen to him. Most companions stayed. Why are you staying? No, the Prophet is not feeling well. We care for him. We want to be around him. Well, he's giving you a command. This is not your uncle or cousin whom you want to speak like. This is the Prophet of God. It's a command. He's cursed the one who didn't leave. They disobeyed him there. And the last example is the example of Hudaibiya. When the Prophet in the 6th year, he was about to go to Mecca. The pagans blocked him from going there. The Prophet had told his companions, I saw a dream in which we're doing the Hajj and we have our heads even shaved, right? And we have the sheep, the animal to be sacrificed with us. When they blocked him, the Prophet ﷺ decided to do a peace treaty with them. And the agreement was that Muslims would go back that year to Medina. They would not do the Hajj. Companions didn't like that. A lot of them objected. Umar ibn al-Khattab comes to the Prophet. He tells him, why are you doing this peace treaty? Didn't you tell us we're going to go to Masjid al-Haram triumphantly and have our heads shaved? We didn't do our Hajj. We're in our Ihram. How do we go back? The Prophet said, these are the instructions of God. I didn't tell you this year I'm going to Hajj. I told you we will. Inshallah, Allah will give us the victory. Anyways, they objected. Then the Prophet, this is history, documented. Then the Prophet told the companions, now that we've been blocked from doing the Hajj, get up, slaughter your sheep or camel, whatever you have with you here, and shave your heads and let's go back to Medina. Because the one who's blocked from going to the Hajj, that's how they come out of their ihram, if they cannot go and fulfill the Hajj. You know what history states? Not one of them stood up. They disobeyed the Prophet. He told them, get up, slaughter your sheep and shave your heads. Not one of them did that. Salama, the wife of the Prophet, she was there. She becomes so furious. She tells him, Ya Rasulullah, don't listen to them. You get up, you slaughter your sheep or you're the camel that you have with you, shave your head and let's leave. The Prophet got up after they had disobeyed him. He slaughtered the sheep or the camel that he had with him, and he shaved his head. Then when they saw that, they felt ashamed and they, did the same thing and went back to the city of Medina. So we have many examples of them not really following the instructions of the Prophet ﷺ. And just add to that the jealousy and the enmity many of them had to Imam Ali alayhi salam. They could not stand Imam Ali having all the virtues. So these are the reasons why they abandoned the command of the Prophet ﷺ. وصلى الله على محمد وآله الطاهرين.